my friend, followers of Wapini channel. Now we will talk about how how could we import and search for images. Okay, we'll make it, refresh it. It will be ready to make what's our search. Uh, Canva.com. It is a very beautiful website. You can find it your images, templates, wait till template will open. You can choose from here. Look, you can also, for example, images. They give you many images. Here you can choose whatever you would like to choose. Business one. No, I don't like. I choose this one, for example. We can customize it. Here you can find whatever you would like. You can create your own design or search. For example, this is an image, a photo. You can find here. This is where we can find images. You can click here, photos or images. Either you can search from this place what the image they would like. For example, fruits. This is an example. This is the main picture. You can change whatever, this one or delete it or add it. You can delete it here, simply, or return back if you don't like. So back, you can add another one. This one, you can find it, minimize it, maximize it, put it whatever you would like to put here or here or here. You can, where is return back. You can edit the image, brightness, construct saturation, and choose whatever you would like. Crop, cut it. You can cut. Done. If you would like to upload your own image from your personal computer, laptop, you can come here, upload. For example, we have here images. You can put it, and here you go. Wherever you would like to put, here or here or here, you can all. If you finish the picture, look, many layers. how many layers does the picture contain. You can, if you finish your picture and you would like that your picture be in one group, one, you can lock it, not all the image. How many layers in this picture? All this is, and lock it. That's all. It will not be removed. Nothing can be changed. Okay. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, could you like it, share it, subscribe, and there are many more. Thank you very much, and see you later.